This is the third time I've been to this one, and each time you pick up something new. There's just a little nugget. Obviously, over a period of time, slight changes in the law again, so you are picking up different things as the regulations start to change. So, and again, you're picking up the ideas of how you can use that information to your best benefit to your company.
Definitely go to this event, because I mean, this event, the good thing about it is that you get to meet like a broker, a solicitor, architect, accountant, and all of those people have different perspective as well. So sometimes when you're speaking to your accountant alone, that's just what you get. But here today, you get to see them batting against each other as well and see what works for one person and what works for the other person. So yeah, it's quite a rounded event.
Ryan is a good business guy. Again, I've known Ryan for a little while now, and always helpful, always prepared to sort of like give advice, and we become really good friends.
The speakers were quite good actually. Yeah, they're very clear, very concise in how they were delivering what they were saying.
I really enjoyed the crowd. First of all people, all professionals, all people really keen to learn. So there's a really good balance of people over there. Plus the knowledge Tom is delivering is just great. It's just great what we can learn about taxes at this event, and I personally believe it's going to be really helpful for my business as well.
Just want to say thank you. It's been absolutely amazing for you guys, the support you've given us. It's been inspiring for my journey, and just a massive thank you very much. They're great.
It was very high quality. The speakers all knew their topics, very informative, and I gained a lot of information to use in my business.
I've gained a good understanding of just the basics around being tax efficient and the things I can do to get my books in order, to put it to the accountant to do his job and to save me tax.
They come across as very helpful. They're very knowledgeable in their skill set, and yet still wanting to help out other investors.
My biggest takeaway was to learn zero, and so just watching Tom go through the process gives me the confidence to actually start it in my business, so that I can pull together and streamline everything that's taken me ages to do.
I've been working with Ryan for about 3 years now. Met him a couple of times, and he's very helpful, man. Without Ryan, I don't think I would be where I am now. So yeah, thank you, Ryan.